Hey, if you cannot turn on your Apple Watch Series 10, then let me quickly show you why it's not working. I mean, probably why it's not working. So I have the same issue with this Apple Watch. So the battery was actually on the 0%, and I was actually like holding this side button all the time. It won't turn on, but once you actually put it on the charger and wait for like 5 to 10 minutes, then you will have to simply repeat by holding this side button that is located here. And if it's still not working, then probably your Apple Watch is dead. So you should actually take advantage of the warranty, or for example, go into the paid professional service. They will definitely take care of your device. And yeah, this is like the only tip that I can give you about this won't turn on issue on your Apple Watch, and that will be all.